to this very first ETMarkets Crypto Q&A. Today we have Ashish Singhal, who's the co-founder and CEO of CoinSwitch Kuber, answering all your queries. Now, if you have any questions, do write into us at ETMarkets Crypto Corner. Let's get started.
There is a broad agreement among industry stakeholders that the bill needs to protect investors. This is definitely true, right? User protection is the top priority, not just for government, but exchanges and the crypto companies like us as well, right? In this ecosystem, users, innovators, and the government are the three pillars on which everything stands. And the three needs to work hand in hand. We need to create an environment where users feel protected, users feel aware while getting into this industry and able to make the right choices into this industry. So we are all in agreement that this needs to happen, and we have all taken multiple steps to get the user information, to get the information out, to make sure that the users are educated and protected at every step of their investment journey. How are exchanges self-regulating? Today, through BACC, we have various SROs that we try to follow. While self-regulating, I think the first thing that comes to mind is KYC, making sure that that we are collecting the right information from the users. We have mimicked the KYC norms as similar to a stock broker itself, collecting your PAN card, Aadhaar card, verifying them, taking a selfie, making sure the money in any account is moving from whitelisted bank accounts only and can go into whitelisted bank accounts only. Right. There are many other self-regulations that we have put in place, be it regarding ads, be it regarding information, passing on information to the user, be it about informing about the risk of this industry to the users itself. How can we empower blockchain innovators? I think the right regulations are the first steps in bringing innovation back to India in the blockchain space itself. Back in 2017, you would see just a handful of crypto companies out there. Today, every single day, multiple crypto companies are forming in India, right? And even with the doubt of regulation, people are still innovating in this space. But with the right regulations, I think India can lead this from the front. And tomorrow's Google, Facebook, and Twitter could very well come from India and be built on blockchain itself, and right regulations which empowers innovators to build amazing products from India could be the first steps in enabling that. How is CSK building India's first Web 3.0 team? I think I've always said that CoinSwitch is not just building a company, and CoinSwitch is not just a company, but building an industry itself, right? The right folks which try to form the rules and regulations today, try to follow standards today at CoinSwitch would be the norm of the industry itself in the coming future, right? So we together are very excited and have some of the most amazing folks from India, from amazing companies like Flipkart, Ola, Bounce, Amazon, Google joining us and making this dream happen, making the Web 3.0 happen in India. How are cryptocurrencies generally classified around the world? I think that the classification of crypto varies from country to country, but most countries agree that crypto is an asset class in the making, right? Like I said, it started as a currency use case, but over time, people realized the amount of use cases that technology can solve and can actually create a better internet, which works for all of us equally, right? And most of the countries are now classifying it as the new asset in the making, and helping create user protection laws around it, helping create laws which kind of fuel innovation in the space, because this space is still very new. We don't know where this could end up be. This is like the internet in the 90s, right? We still don't know how this would evolve and how big it can become. So having the right regulations, classifying it in the right way, and boosting innovation is what we are seeing across the world, and which we are hoping would happen in India very soon as well. One question that we get a lot is why there are so many cryptos out there. So cryptocurrency, although started as a currency replacement, but over time, people realize different use cases of crypto. Today, if you're taking a loan and you go to a bank and say Mukesh Ambani goes to the same bank, you might be treated very differently because of your relationship with the bank, because of a lot of various, human element that are involved in the process. What cryptos actually does is eliminate the process and make process equal for all. The rules of the game cannot be changed, and they apply equally to everyone in the crypto ecosystem. And through that part, there are many use cases that originated. So today, there are loan applications. The financial ecosystem is getting changed entirely through this open culture, through this culture or of applying rules equally to everyone. And I think a lot of new applications would come in the future as well. In applying those in general instances, even if you say you're booking a cab today, how you would be charged would be very open and transparent if built on crypto itself. So that is why there are so many currencies out there, because every currency is trying to solve, crypto is trying to solve a new uh, problem itself. Take example of, say, compound solving from loan applications, Uniswap creating a decentralized exchange, and many other amazing use cases are getting solved on crypto. And every use case has an associated crypto asset, which is the crypto coin that you invest in. So that is the reason that there are so many crypto coins, because every coin is trying to solve a different problem itself. It's like a startup ecosystem. There are so many startups in that ecosystem, because everyone is trying to build something unique, something new to help users in solving some use case, creating some product, or creating some service altogether. So that is why there are so many crypto coins out there. What prompted us to create a Resco meter? I think that's a great question, in a way that we have always thought about creating a risk information to the user. Crypto is a very new asset class, and with every new asset class comes associated risk as well. Risks of market, risk of manipulation, risks of different kinds altogether. The idea of Riskometer is to update users on what are the risks that they are signing up to whenever they invest into any particular cryptocurrencies. So our team does a risk analysis of all these coins, making sure that in real time you get to know any changes in any crypto which is happening around the world. As a user, obviously you can't be updated about every crypto in real time, and that is the job that we do. Our team works day and night making sure that you get all the right information whenever you're making a choice on CoinSwitch, right? And we take this as our job itself, making sure that you are informed anytime that you're making a move into the crypto industry, right? Be it KYC, be it AML, be it PMLA, be it the user risk and user protection, we take all of them very seriously, and try to be one of the most compliant companies out there, not just for the regulations, self-regulations, but also making sure that our users feel at home. Our users feel protected at every single point in time whenever they're getting in or out of the crypto industry. So CoinSwitch started as an investment platform for crypto, making it easier for users to get in. But over time, we have also added some amazing bouquet of services onto our ecosystem. Uh, a user who doesn't know anything about crypto can start now on CoinSwitch and learn about crypto. We are not just an investment app anymore. We are a learning app for the users to know what is happening in crypto, be in whatever format, right? Be it videos, be it amazingly written articles by the team, making sure that you're updated on what is happening in the industry. You get to learn what this industry is about and where this industry is going. And if you feel connected to this industry, then you can make a buying or a selling decision on to CoinSwitch itself. So CoinSwitch is not just an investment app anymore. It's also a learning app, helping you navigate the crypto ecosystem and the ever-changing world of crypto, keeping you up to date on what is happening, giving you an unbiased opinion on what is happening outside, what is happening in the industry itself, since it's a global industry in the making, keeping you posted on the updates, helping you learn about different coins, helping you understand different risks and different information about different coins onto our ecosystem before you start to invest into cryptocurrencies.